following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect through late tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of central and southern New Jersey, including the following areas: in central New Jersey, eastern London. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic, coastal Atlantic, coastal ocean, and southeastern Burlington. When? Through late tonight. Impact: flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop by midday today. Some of these showers and thunderstorms are expected to produce very heavy rainfall. Rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches of rain can be expected, with localized amounts of 3 to 5 inches possible in the strongest storms. Rainfall rates within these thunderstorms can reach up to 3 inches per hour at times. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.